Hey everyone, welcome to CiNovaNails. My name's Cassandra. Today I'm coming to you with a quick video showing you how to do some quick quarantine nails. I'm going to show you how to do the full tips to go from this to this. Quick and affordable. You'll be wondering why you haven't started this years ago. So now I'll show you everything you need to achieve this look. So first you'll need the full nail tips. I bought these off Amazon. Nail glue, I bought from a local hair store by me. A buffer block, I bought this in a pack of 10 from eBay. It was like $3. A good nail file so we can go over the free edge of the nail. A cuticle pusher, also bought this off eBay. A cotton ball. A nail color of your choice. Today I chose Blinded by Ardene, one of my favorite nail polishes. And then also your top coat. So now we're going to start by prepping the nail. We're simply just going to go over each nail bed with the buffer block. And then, if your natural nail is as short as mine, just go over the free edge of the nail just to smooth it out and make it even. You're going to do that for each nail. So now we're going to come in with our cuticle pusher. Going to push back each nail. Because we're going to be using full tips, we need it to look as natural as possible. So now that we finished pushing back the cuticles, it will look something like that. So now we're just going to use our cotton ball and just dust off the remaining. Now we get to the fun part, sizing the appropriate nail tip to each one of your nails. This pack comes with 10 different sizes. Just make sure you put the appropriate size to the appropriate nail. Now we're going to put the glue on the nail. Be careful because this can stick to your fingers. Trust me, it's happened to me plenty of times. Not fun. Once the glue is on, you're just going to make sure that it's spread evenly throughout the nail, and now we're going to press it on the nail bed. When pressing it down, try to eliminate all air bubbles that might come up, like this one right here. And now you're going to follow and do that to every nail, so it looks like this. So the next step is optional, the scissors. If you want to cut it down a little bit, you definitely can. I personally love the longer nail look, so I'm going to keep it just like this. So whether you cut it or not, the next step is filing it into the shape we like. Today, I'm going to do a coffin. So stiletto is usually my go-to shape, but today I'm going to switch it up. So now we're pretty much just going to file the nail to our own liking. So if you like round nails, you file it kind of round. You like stiletto like me, file it pointy. And once everything's filed, it'll look something like this. So now we're ready to paint. Now it's time to grab the color we chose before. As I mentioned, I'm using a color that I got from Ardene called Blinded. Give the nail polish a quick shake, and now we're ready to start painting. I do find that this nail polish is pretty thin with the one layer, so we're definitely going to come again with another. So this is what it looks like with the one coat, and then we'll come through with the second. So it will look a little something like this. And last but not least, we'll come through with the top coat. Today I'm using the Nina Ultra Pro. I absolutely love this brush. It's nice and wide and it goes on so easy. I bought it from my local Sally Beauty Supply. So now we're going to repeat this step to every finger until it looks something like this. So there we have it, our finished product. Do you think this is something you would try on yourself? Let me know in the comments. Thanks for watching.